Hello friends, in this video we shall see how to find the values of trigonometric ratios for obtuse angles or negative angles. I have written some trigonometric values over here. Let us find how to find these values. In your 9th and 10th standard you have learned this chart. You must learn this by heart. All trigonometric values of acute angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now for these higher angles, we use a small trick so that in a single step you can find this value without any calculations if you know this chart. So let us begin. We remember a sentence. Add sugar to coffee. A, S, T, C. Now from A we say all, this is sine, this is tan and this is cos. Add sugar to coffee. We use this in coordinate system A, S, T, C and we write here all positive. S stands for sine, sine positive, T stands for tan, tan positive and cos positive. So this is first step. All, that is all trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot will be positive in this first quadrant. In the second quadrant sine is positive and its reciprocal cosec will be positive. Here tan reciprocal cot will be positive and here cos and reciprocal sec will be positive, other ratios will be negative. Now the second step, we consider these angles and then we find the angle which this makes with x-axis, the acute angle. For example, if we see angle of 120 degrees, this is 120 degrees with x-axis, but on this side it is 60 degrees. So smaller angle nearest to x-axis is 60 degrees, not 120. So this 120 we consider it as angle 60. 150, if we go ahead 120 plus 30, so this will be 150 degrees. We can see this remaining angle, smaller angle with x-axis is 30 degrees. So this is 30 and so on. We check other values also. Now what will be 210? 210 is 180 plus 30. So this angle will be 30 degrees. Now can you judge other values? 240. How do we get 240? 180 plus 60. So I just find the angle 60 degrees. 300. If we go on, this is 270 degrees. This is 300 degrees. And so remaining angle here will be 60 degrees. Now these are for negative angles. Negative angle, we measure it in a clockwise direction. So this is 0 and minus 60 will be clockwise. So it is again 60 degrees with x-axis. 120 is again 60 degrees and so on. Now value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine, now 120 degrees lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant sine is positive, so it is plus root 3 by 2. 150 degrees, angle is 30 degrees. We want cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This angle lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive but cos is negative. So minus root 3 by 2. 210 degrees. This is in the third quadrant. 30 degrees. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. In the third quadrant, tan is positive, all other ratios are negative, so it is plus 1 by root 3. And I think in the same fashion you can solve all these sums. I hope you like this video. In the next video we will go with another trigonometric functions and formula. This is all for today's video. Thank you.